In this video we're gonna talk about Python. What is Python and why is it the best programming language right now? We're gonna talk about professions which require knowledge of Python, and I'm going to show you how you can learn Python very easy from scratch even right now. Hey guys, ItGuyMichal here and welcome to another video of our channel. In this channel we talk about computer science, computers, technology, machine learning and artificial intelligence. If you are a fan of this topic, please consider smashing the subscribe button, hitting the like button and following me on the social media. Now without further ado, let's jump right to the video. Now Python is the best programming language in the world and was founded in the year 1991 by Guido van Rossum, who was a Dutch programmer, and he named his programming language Python because he was a big fan of a British comedy group Monty Python. Now who doesn't like the comedy, right? I would definitely use the same name in that time. I want to present here my subjective opinion. Now I'm not telling that the Python is good for everyone and that it's the best programming language for everyone. There are other guys telling that their languages are better than the Python and they have their reasons. And I'm not telling something different. If you are interested in different languages, please go ahead and check different videos. Now let's go to the reasons why is the Python the best language in the world. According to the Stack Overflow survey for developers, for the past 3 years Python won the category of the most wanted technology to learn. That means that the programmers around the world decided that they want to learn Python in the next few years. Now, there were more than 60,000 respondents each year in this survey, and Stack Overflow itself is a very popular programming language website for developers. If you don't know what is Stack Overflow, you are living somewhere in the cave, right? If you are a software developer, you have to go to Stack Overflow. There are other experienced programmers who are willing to help you with your programming problems. So now many of you may say, well, Michal, why do people like Python? Why do they want to learn it? Why is it the most wanted technology in the year 2020, right? To answer this question, we need to look into few aspects of Python language. The first one is the applicability of Python. You can use Python programming language to code various parts of the software. Let's say you want to create the backend server. Python has a lot of frameworks which are dedicated for this kind of job. If you want to automate something in your, in your company, Python allows you to create scripts for automation. But the next thing is the artificial intelligence. As of right now, there are just few languages usable for creating the artificial intelligence algorithm, and Python is the best of them. Why is Python so good for creating the artificial intelligence algorithms? To answer this, we need to look at the frameworks which are available for the Python. Frameworks are the set of libraries which are used to ease the process of programming for programmers. And Python provides a lot of great artificial intelligence frameworks like Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch and many more. Now if you are like me, you are getting sick of everyone talking about artificial intelligence. You go to watch TV and everybody's talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence. You go to buy your car and everybody's talking about machine learning. You go to the internet, machine learning, right? What's so special about this machine learning and Python? The thing is, like, imagine you are a big company like Facebook, Google or Amazon and you are looking for new employees, programmers. Now, you can find a front-end developer or a good front-end developer or back-end developer everywhere in the USA or somewhere around the corner, right? But it's very hard to find a good artificial intelligence programmer with a lot of years of experience. And this is what makes the Python so special and so wanted. People want to be working for Google, for Facebook, for Amazon, and when they know how to use Python for artificial intelligence, this opens them a lot of doors for great opportunities in these big companies. You have to understand that artificial intelligence is a broad term. Under the artificial intelligence, we understand a lot of things. For example, if you found this video on the YouTube and it was recommended for you, the recommendation engine itself is artificial intelligence, which was programmed most likely in Python to find the best video for you. If you are scrolling through your Facebook or to your Instagram, many times you see this advertisement popping up to you, and many times the recommendations of advertisement is done by artificial intelligence algorithm which was designed by one of these artificial intelligence programmers, most likely using Python. Then if you go to the Google and you are searching for a term, the results of the Google search are being ordered by the recommendation algorithm, which is under the artificial intelligence. So as you can see, there are a lot of applications of artificial intelligence there, which makes this discipline open for a lot of great programming positions for all the people around the world. Now let's go to the more technical part of the advantages of Python. One of them is its simplicity. Now if you don't code in any of the languages, you maybe don't understand what does it mean for programming language to be simple. But you can trust me that Python is one of the best programming languages for absolute novice programmers. The syntax is easy, you don't have to remember a lot of commands or a lot of rules. You will never have issues with the semicolons or stuff like this which you can find on the internet. A lot of jokes are there about the semicolons and the headaches during night and stuff like this. This will not happen in the Python, because in Python there are no semicolons. There are just a few like crazy spaces, and sometimes this makes the code not readable, but who cares, right? You don't need to write semicolons, you're happy, you can write some spaces, right? Whatever. So you can say right now, IT guy, so you are talking all the great things about Python, so I want to learn the Python. How should I learn the Python? I would highly recommend a course by ItGuyMichal linked in the description below. It's a free course, yeah, it's a paid course for all the other guys. But if you are watching this video, you are very lucky, because you can find this course for free, and only under this video you can find the link which will allow you to access the free content for the whole lifetime. If you are interested in learning Python, the basics of Python, the basic syntax, you just need 4 hours with me and the course linked in the description, so please go ahead, click there. It's on the Skillshare, which is a great platform for learning. There are also other great courses here on YouTube from all the other great guys providing you this content for free. I highly recommend you learning Python in any stage of your life. You can learn the Python when you are like, I don't know, 12 years. This is exactly the great year to start your programming career. Even if you like ended the university and you are older than, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 years, you need to educate yourself in every stage of your life. It makes your life more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Python is a great programming language, and I think it is the best programming language right now. I highly recommend you to go in there and try it on your own. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and follow me on social media. My name is ItGuyMichal, and thank you for watching.